How to log in HelloFresh account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up a web browser. Then go to hellofresh.com. Once you're here, this is the official website of HelloFresh. On the right side, you can find a login button. So you simply want to click on this option. As soon as you do that, you're going to find different ways on how you can log into your account. If you have not created an account, you can create one. So here, as you can see, the first and the most easiest one is to log in by entering your email address and then your password. Then click on this green login button. Once you do that, you will be successfully logged into your HelloFresh account. You have other choices here as well. So one of them is Google account, Apple account, and Facebook account. So if you have created your HelloFresh account using any of these, then you simply want to click on it. So I have clicked on Google account and now you just want to choose your Google account. Once you have done that, you will be able to successfully log into your HelloFresh account. Now you can start planning your meals, and that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.